Okay, so as I was alluding to in the last video, there are three main points or three main sections of the marginal physical product curve. The first main section or the first main stage is up until the peak of that marginal physical product curve. So up until that peak, marginal physical product is increasing, which means the rate of total physical product is increasing, meaning that total physical product not only is increasing, but is increasing at that increasing rate. We know as long as marginal physical product is increasing, so from here to here, as long as those numbers right here are increasing in value, not only do we know that total physical product is increasing, but it's increasing at that increasing rate. The next main section is from the peak until marginal physical product equals zero. So the peak right here until marginal physical product equals zero, way down here, if that's stage 2. So if this is stage 1, this is stage 2. And stage 2 is from that peak until marginal physical product equals 0. So from peak until marginal physical product equals 0, we know that marginal physical product is decreasing. We see that it falls from 0.85 down to 0.3 down here. Marginal physical product is decreasing. But let's look at total physical product. Total physical product is still increasing. Total physical product is still going up. Well, anytime that marginal physical product is positive, total physical product is still growing. But as marginal physical product falls, as it goes from 0.85 to 0.03 down here, we know that the rate of growth of total physical product falls. We know that adding one more hour of labor as we go from 20 to 22 will give us 0.85 more products per hour. But as we increase from 22 to 26, we get 0.4 additional products per hour. We're able to build 4/10 more of that equipment that we were talking about in the previous slides. So what does that mean? It means that by adding that one extra hour, we get less done than if we added an hour between here and here. Or we still get more done, but we just get less per hour done. So that rate of growth is actually falling. And especially if we compare it down here, where if we go from point G to point H, we see that we get more done. Total physical product still going up. So hiring that extra person or employing those extra hours is still getting more done, but the amount that got done per hour was less than it was even back up here. So then the last point, the last main stage, is after marginal physical product equals 0. After MPP equals 0, at that point, total physical product is going to be falling. So just to recap, there are three main stages of this marginal physical product. First one is up until it hits that peak. If up until marginal physical product hits that peak, total physical product is going to be increasing at an increasing rate, meaning that overall efficiency per hour by adding one more hour of labor, you're going to be able to get even more done with that hour. And then it hits that peak, and then from that peak until marginal physical product equals 0, total physical product is still going to be increasing, but at a decreasing rate, which means we're still going to get more done, but we're not going to get as much done on that per additional hour. Notice that I'm saying per additional hour, not per hour, per additional hour, because there's a key difference between that per hour amount done per hour and the amount done per additional hour. And we're going to get into that when we talk about average physical product. And that's going to be the amount per hour, where marginal physical product is the amount done per additional hour. So if we're in that stage 2, marginal physical product is falling, but total physical product is going to be increasing, but at a decreasing rate. After we hit that point where marginal physical product equals 0, we're going to see that total physical product is actually going to be falling.